Hello, beautiful YouTube family. Today I'm right here on the mainland. Yes, I've had people come to my DM saying, Victoria, is it only on the island you have properties? I had to come down to the mainland to look for properties for you. And today I'm right here in Magodo Phase 2. Now, one of the things about Magodo is that this is a highly sought after estate, a very secured, serene, and sophisticated neighborhood, a place that is habitable for you to raise a family. And I would be showing you a 5 bedroom duplex with a BQ, and the rooms are spacious. I had to go in to see the room sizes and literally see everything about the house before I started making this video. They have good drainage system here. It rained heavily today in Lagos on the mainland part, and you can see that everywhere is dry. There's nothing like flooding. And if you know Magodo, I mean, do your research on Magodo Phase 2, you know that it is a really credible place to live. This property has a title of C of O. Now we have just one unit available, only one unit. So that means that if you love what you see at the end of this video, give me a call immediately. This unit you're seeing behind me is also part of it, but it is sold out. So we're just going to check the one behind it. So in a couple of seconds, I'll flip this camera right now to go inside there and we'll have a detailed tour of the property. But before I do that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. I am so delighted to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizoba Duraku, and I have a really beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would so love to have you as part of that family. So all I'm saying in essence is that you should hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our subsequent updates. And just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, feel free to reach out to me, tell me what exactly you're looking out for, and be sure that we'll get you nothing but the absolute best of credible properties. All right, so let's flip this camera and tell this property right away. Come along. All right, welcome back, beautiful people. Let me just give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. You see, it is very habitable. Okay, let's go see the interior of the house. Like I said earlier, this is also part of it, but this one right here is sold out, and we just have one unit available, the one behind it, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So if at the end of this video you love what you see, give me a call immediately. And one good thing about this neighborhood is the fact that it is right in the middle of almost everywhere. What I mean is this: in a couple of minutes you are in Ikeja. In less than 15 minutes you are in Ikeja. And you know Ikeja is where we have both the local and international airport. We have the Ikeja City Mall where you have ShopRite. Also there we have the Alausa Secretariat amongst others. Also it is very accessible to Bega. You just connect from the Otedola Bridge and you are at Bega in a couple of minutes in that you're already on the third mainland bridge, and before you know you're in BI already on the island. Even if you want to travel outside Lagos, you can connect from Bega to the Lagos Abeta Expressway, so it is very accessible. Okay, now let's begin to explore. This is the compound. Sorry about this mess here, but just manage with us today. Okay, so the compound can take up to 3 cars conveniently. Yes, nothing more than 3 cars can fit in here, so you have enough space to move around. And here's what the structure itself looks like. So the house is on 2 floors. All right, so what we'll do is before we go inside, let's move around the compound to see what the surrounding looks like. Right at this angle here, we have a security house right here. Now also inside this estate, we have good schools here. I saw lots of schools while coming in. I saw lots of supermarkets, pharmacies. We have lots of them here. So this is the place where you have everything you need to live conveniently within your reach. Now see how spacious the walkway to the back of the house is. Actually, that's one thing I like about mainland properties, is the fact that they are very generous with space, and you can actually park cars here. So I take back my word earlier when I said 2 cars can fit in here. So say you park I said 3 cars actually. So say you park cars here, you still have space here. This can take a car, that can take a car. So the compound can take up to 4 cars if you include this one. So you see it is quite spacious. All right, let's move to the back of it. I want to show you the BQ before we go inside. So we have the tap there. We have another tap right here. Um, At this angle is where we have the BQ. All right, so this is the full size of the BQ, spacious enough, actually more spacious than most of the ones we have on the island. You have, by the time you fix the student size bed here, a mini wardrobe here, you still have space to move around. Right here is the toilet and bath. Okay, okay, this gives you, you can access the kitchen from here. All right, let's go. Okay, so we've successfully moved around the house. Okay, so let's go in right now to see the interior of the house. Okay, so this right here is where we have the ante, and this is the size of it. Okay, and then that leads ushers us to this angle where we have the guest toilet here, and the next is the living area. Apologies again, the house is messy, so but then again, I just have to make this video, so please manage it for us like that for today. Okay, so this is the size of the living area from this angle, and this is what it looks like from here as well. Okay, this is another one from here as well, and then we have the chandelier here, and over here is the dining area. Here's the dining area, and I can see we have quite a number of windows here. So one thing you can be sure of is that this place will be well ventilated. Okay. All right. So next we have the kitchen, and here's what the size of the kitchen looks like. Here's the size of it. Quite a number of cabinetries for storage. Quite a number of them. We have the gas burner here, an extractor. There's a heater up there. What else? This is designated for your refrigerator, microwave oven, and there's a pantry here for storage. Okay. All right, so let's go upstairs. Okay, so we're done. What we have downstairs is just the living area, the kitchen, the ante room, and then the guest toilet. That's all we have downstairs. So this is the first floor, and the design here is quite different. Let me show you what I mean. You know, usually once you're approaching the end of the staircase from the ground floor, you get to see the lounge, which should be here. But then again, the way they designed this house, this is where the lounge is. You see, this is where the lounge is, and then this is the size of the lounge. Mainland style, different. Okay. All right, so that's the family lounge. And then this is room number one. This is the first room we're inspecting. This is room number one, and this is spacious. You see? If you love what you see, give us a call immediately. Very limited units available, just this unit available. Location Magodo Phase 2. I really love this estate. I mean, we have good road network, very good road network. Like I said earlier, schools, supermarkets, pharmacies, good schools, lots of schools actually, lots. I saw lots and lots of them. So you'd have absolutely no issue getting a school for your child. I'm trying to look for the angle to stand so I can get a perfect view of this, the size of this room. Now take a look at this. This is not the master's bedroom, just so you know, but see how spacious it is. See. For those who have been sending me messages asking for mainland properties, this is definitely a good buy. I love how spacious the room sizes are and even the wardrobe, because for some houses, this is actually the master's bedroom. Yes, this is the size of the room and even the wardrobe area. And take a look at the toilet and bathroom, also spacious. I'd like to call this the mini master's bedroom because it is different from the size of the basic rooms. Okay, all right. So this is room number two, and then there's also a balcony right here. So this room will be well ventilated, quite a number of windows here, and the balcony as well. Okay, we're done with room number two. Um, room number three here. Okay, no, we've seen this. Sorry, we've seen that. Okay, so let's go upstairs. For those who are looking for properties close to the airport, because I get that request a lot. Victoria, I want something close to the Muritala, to the international airport, so I don't have to stay in traffic for long hours. This is a very good location, very close to um, the both the local and international airport. This is room number three. You see, it is smaller than the one we just came out from, which is why I call that one the mini master's bedroom. Okay, that's the working shower right here. And then room number four here. Room number four here. If this doesn't fit into what you want, you can reach out to us. We also have land selling. We do not only sell houses, we sell land. We sell off-plan properties that you can pay instrumentally for like up to 1 year. We have commercial properties. So just reach out to us. Tell us what you're looking out for, and we just might have something for you. All right. Okay, this is the last room, which is actually the master's bedroom. So let's see the full size of it from this angle. This is the full size of it. This is what it looks like. This is it from here. If you've watched this video till this point, thank you for sticking with me up till this moment. I have a big smile on my face behind the camera, and it's all thanks to you. Please do not leave without subscribing. If you've not done that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and turn on your notification bell so you do not get to miss out on any of our subsequent updates. I'd love to have you as part of the amazing family that I have right here on YouTube. Plus, we do credible properties only, so you're safe right here with us. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Till I come your way next time. My name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.